Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's video update for JASMY. We are trading at 0.0111. 24-hour volume, we are down 37.37%. Market cap, we are down 6.70%. Heading over to the chart here, our time interval is 3 days. We're going to go through 1 day and then 4 hours here. So taking a look at the 3 days, you guys, the current candle that we are broke through our trend line at the very top and retraced all the way here as a known resistance of 0.0122. If you guys caught that, if we look at our RSI 2, we do see that we are considered to be overbought. We actually saw the crossover in this candlestick here. We see a little bounce of a crossover here itself. So essentially right now, price is going to come back down. We're going to take a look at some retracement levels on the day time interval. But if we look quickly on our MACD indicator, this is what I really like for JASMY right now. It is indicating all in the green. However, one of the things is where is our lines? It's retracing back. It was in the negatives for so long and it's coming back to our 0%. So this may actually trigger in the signs for the future that JASMY may actually come back up. We're in that accumulation phase and then coming into that distribution phase before, it peaks out even more. So this may be the start overall as a primary trend of us coming back up. Going into our day interval. Here we go, guys. Our RSI is at 45 for our K line, and then our D line here is at 70%. So we just need this guy to come back down. We need to come back down to 20%. This bounce here was really nice, coming to 23% and then 46%. So as these RSIs are coming back down closer to an area of support that we're going to take a look at, we're going to come back up again. So what we can see with our MACD indicator is that we do see some weakness in the momentum of the price coming up. Of course, it was going to happen as price retraced back to a known resistance line, as we were talking in the last video. So price is going to come back down. So long as this histogram itself stays in the green, we're going to hold on to support when price does come back down, okay? If it does switch over to a red line, the bear market in here, then essentially we are going to break that support and not see that really nice bounce for JASMY. So going into retracement from this peak all the way down to this peak itself, we can see that we broke through the threshold of 61%. I'm going to take a look at our volume indicator. So we've got this chunk here at 11,280 and then this one here at 10,945, just slightly below at 61%. So if we do fall and we don't see a bounce from this at 61.80 right now as the price is lightening up, we're going to come back down slightly below our 78% of our retracement into this area of supply and demand and use this area as a good resistance or support line at 0.010439 here, okay? Again, that is only if this price and this MACD is indicating a slower trend. If we're peaking up here, we see these lighter colors. Essentially, it's giving us a signal that the trend for the bull or the uptrend is slowing down, coming down to a support line. We may actually break it. If we take a look at these two candles here on July 18th, July 8th and July 9th, we can see it bounced really nice on the 78 until it reached a resistance line and then it came down. Take a look at the momentum here. It peaked up and then we see these green histograms here lightening up as the RSI was dropping as well and then flipped over on the bear side, and that's what triggered us breaking through the 78%. So we may actually mirror the same effect here if we do come back down at the 78%, flip it over on the bear side, then we're going to come back down all the way down here, you guys, in this chunk of supply and demand. In the 4-hour time frame, let's take a look. There is our trend line that we saw on the 3 days. Here's the action here. Take a look at these candles here. They're basically mirroring the same one. Of course, this candle's not quite finished yet, but take a look at the body itself. We are trying to push and retrace backwards, and it looks like the MACD has already crossed over, signaling at this candlestick itself. The RSI, however, triggered a potential buy order at this candlestick. So this candlestick here, we've retraced more majority of 70% of this candlestick. We just need to see if we're able to close above this line here at 0.011161 for us to have a nice retracement level. Notice that the bars too of our MACD indicator here at the start is really small spaces in between. This is our eye. We need to keep a track of this in hopes that it crosses over near this area. So we have to watch very, very patiently here for Jasmy to see if we can be able to get a reversal on this downtrend, because overall, if we take a look, in this triangle that we've got this really strong uptrend. If we go up here and we're consolidating sideways, we're just going to come down to another area of support. So we need more uptrend, especially closer to the gray line here, which is the 20 MA. So that's my video for Jasmy, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you next time.